How to buy idiot token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on with this token, go on and check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token is transit number 5 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy its token address and open your funds from it. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on stop and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste stop funds in the search bar. So after that, as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. Now after that, as you can see here, click on pricing, click on provider, and select Jupiter, click on apply, and then go back and click here on stop, and you will be able to already access the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy AGU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.